Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to collect Glasswort more easily in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event, the called Ovils event, and then in here you can gather the new resources that you need them to cook the new recipe in this event. And one of the resources that you must have is this Glasswort. You can get this Glasswort around the camp, or you can also get it more easily around the Jellyfish Cave over here. So just go to this area, and then after you spot this Glasswort, it looks like this, and it has a cold spark like this. You can just see it, and then after that to pick, just tap on this button like this, and then just walk around again until you find another Glasswort. You can see it has a cold cold sparkle like that over there again. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.